our frozen meat with pushboard cutting machine. First off, the overall dimensions. The overall length, we have 46 inches. The depth of 20 inches. And the overall height, we have 47 inches tall. Coming to the front will be the control pad along with the features to run and operate this machine. Coming to the top will be a wheel to adjust the thickness of the slab of the meat. Coming to the back of the machine will be the pushboard or the conveyor where the slab of meat can be placed. So with the pushboard feature, the frozen lamb, beef, or any cuts can be placed here and will run through towards the front where it will be cut and dispensed to the front. Coming to the front will be the drop tray for the cut meats to be picked up and served. Measurements for the drop tray itself will include 16.5 inches by 12 inches in depth. Coming to the top of the machine will be a lubrication reservoir. Last but not least, this machine uses a 110/120 voltage plug. Coming to the top left will be a sticker showing the specs for this machine. Information will be provided for this machine along with an oil can and an extra cover for the pushboard. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.